Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another maths lesson. This week we will be focusing on numbers 11 to 20. So let's get started with all about the number 11. All about the number 11. All about the number 11. The number 11 can be shown in lots of different ways. So if you look over here, just 1 second for me. So if you look over here, it can be shown with shapes, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of them, right? So that is 11 shapes. It can be written in letters or in words rather as the number 11. It can be written using shapes and dots, which is also 11 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Or it can be shown like this, which is basically blocks, 11 blocks. So there's different ways that we can show the number 11. You could even show the number 11 by showing 10 fingers and another finger, which is 11. So anything that represents 11, you can show it by representing 11 in different ways. All right, let's go on to the next one. Number lines. Can you spot the number 11 on the number line? Which numbers are next to 11? Click on the hand to reveal the answer. Let's do that. So here is the number 11. You will see that number 11 is after the number 10 and before the number 12. So here's the number 12 and here's the number 10. Number 11 is in the middle. So it's after the number 10 and it's before the number 12. Good job. How about this number line? Can you spot the number 11? So the number 11, is it in the same place? So it will be in exactly the same place, except that the number line is shown, it's up right this time instead of it being sideways, right? So you'll see that the number 11 is still after the number 10 and it's still before the number 12. So yes, it is in the same place. And there's the number 11, guys. All right, let's try together. Nancy needs 11 coins to pay the shopkeeper. Click on the purse until you have 11 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 coins. Well done, guys. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Nancy has 11 coins and can now pay the shopkeeper. George needs to find the jar of sweets with 11 sweets. Can you help, George? We're looking for the jar of sweets that has 11 sweets inside. You can already see that this one does not have 11 because it looks few, right? Because 11 is a bit of a big number. Let's count how many sweets in this jar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sweets. 6 is not 11. So this is not the correct jar of sweets, right? Now let's look at this jar of sweets. Could this be 11? We're not sure. Let's count to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 sweets in this jar. 13 is bigger than 11. So this is not the correct jar of sweets. Now let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, guys. Well done. We found the jar of sweets the jar that has 11 sweets in it. And it's this jar. Well done. Let's count again to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Great job, guys. Numbers as labels. Have you noticed how numbers can be used for labels too? For example, the number on a bus or the number on a door. So some people, their house number is number 11, or the bus can have the number 11 on it, all right? So we don't only use 11, for sweets or for other things when we're counting, but we can actually have house numbers. Somebody can live in 11 Roseberry Street, for example. All right. Have you ever seen a house with a number 11 on the door? I'm sure if you think about it, I'm sure you've seen it. Next time when you're driving with mom and dad, just look at the house numbers and see if you can spot the number 11. Numbers everywhere. So I'm sure you'll agree with me that numbers are a part of our daily lives, all right? September the 11th, or 11th of January, 11th of February, 11th of March, every month has the 11th, every month has 11 in it. You know what I mean? For example, 11th of January, 11th of February, and so on and so forth. All right. Somebody could be 11 years old. You could have 11 sweets. Your brother can be turning 11 today. You could have 11 friends. So numbers are a part of our everyday life. Have you ever looked for numbers in your classroom? So perhaps not in your classroom, but just perhaps somewhere at home, or maybe in the streets or in the mall. You'll notice that numbers are everywhere. Numbers are everywhere. Can you spot the number 11 in your classroom? So next time when you guys go out, I want you to see whether you can spot the number 11 wherever you are. Number 11 challenge. Are you ready for a challenge? Click on the star to make a challenge appear. So let's do this. Can you blink 11 times? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my goodness, I felt like I was going cuckoo there. So that's 11 times. I blinked 11 times. Did you manage to blink 11 times, guys? Let's go for the green one. Quickly. Find something in your house that shows the number 11. All right. Go ahead and look for something that shows the number 11 at home, guys. Purple. Find 11 small things. Can you make 2 groups with the 11 things? How many do you have in each group? Is there another way? So go ahead and find your brothers or your sisters' Legos, or maybe it's your Legos, or maybe it's anything small that you can find at home, and try to make 2 groups with the 11 things. And the last one, find a partner. So you can use mom, dad, or your brothers and sisters for this. Together, can you show 11 fingers? How many different ways can you find? This should be fun, guys. You could have, if there's 2 of you, right? One person can show both their all 10 fingers, and the other person shows 1 finger, which makes 11. Or one person can show 6 fingers and the other person can show 5. So try and see how you guys can come up with 11 fingers. Remember, it doesn't have to be 2 of you. It can be 3 of you. It can be 4 of you. This is a fun exercise that you guys can do together as a family. So enjoy it. All right, guys. Congratulations. You are now an expert on the number 11. Can you give yourself 11 pats on the back? Can you give yourself 11 claps? Let me help you with 11 claps, guys. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well done, boys and girls, on being an expert on the number 11. I'll see you guys in our next class.